Hi, this is Dr. Antolak from theGentlDentist.com, and we're in Shelby Township, Michigan. 586-247-3500 is our phone number. Today I want to talk to you about dental crowns, and specifically cosmetic all porcelain dental crowns versus porcelain fused to metal crowns. When you look at somebody in the front and they're smiling and you see a gray line around their edge of the gums, it's not so it's kind of unsightly. And the reason why that is because porcelain crowns allow light to show through, and what you're looking at, the grayness usually at the gum line or a dark line, is a porcelain fused to metal crown. Now, porcelain fused to metal crowns were the standard years ago. They were done, and everything, that was all basically that was used. But nowadays, with no new current technologies, we're mostly doing actually all porcelain crowns. Not only for the cosmetic benefits of having a beautiful smile with all porcelain, but also because they now are stronger than they ever have been. What I'd like to do is just demonstrate to you a couple of things. I have here a light, and in that light it's showing, if you can see that, it's showing through a porcelain fused to gold crown. This is a porcelain fused to gold crown, and there's actually porcelain that's baked on the outside of a tooth, and then there's gold or metal that's on the inside, and that does give it the strength it needs. Well, the problem is that naturally, natural teeth allow light to show straight through them. So for example, on this all porcelain one that I have, you can see that there is light that is allowed to emit right through that. And when light is allowed to be emitted right through the tooth, what it does is it gives it a natural appearance, just like a natural tooth. A natural tooth, there is no metal in it, of course, and it allows light to penetrate through it, just like I just demonstrated to you with the all porcelain ones. And the reason why it looks dark underneath it is it may have a band of metal that's at the gum line, but also there's no light allowed to be emitted to the root of the tooth, and so you're basically looking at a shadow that's coming into the root structure of the tooth. So now, many times I have patients who will come in and ask me, hey, why does my gum line look so dark there at the top? And so when I smile, I don't like how I smile because I see how that looks, and the tooth looks a little unnatural. Well, the unnaturalness of it comes from the fact that it's metal, and they have to put an opaquer on there, like a real whitener that blocks out the metal look from the porcelain, and then they have to make it look natural. So rather than light emitting through the tooth on a natural tooth or all porcelain crown, light gets trapped inside. And when you're looking at a porcelain crown, light only goes up to that one specific spot where the crown is, where the opaquer is, and light reflects back off of it. That's what gives it the unnatural look to an all porcelain to metal crown. So if you'd like more clarification on that, or if you don't like the way that your smile is, or if you have issues that you have at the gum line that seem to be really an irritant, or you may have had someone who's noticed that, if you just don't feel comfortable smiling, please give us a call. We'll provide for you a free consultation just to take a look and see what you have going on there with your teeth, and if it's a crown, and what we can do to change it and make your smile look beautiful again. Okay, thank you. And this is Dr. Antolak from theGentlDentist.com.